What actually happens when you crack your knuckles? That loud pop might feel satisfying, but your bones aren't breaking or grinding together. Despite what many people believe, that sound isn't bone on bone at all. So what's really causing it? I'll tell you. But if you don't want this happening to you, hit like, press subscribe, and share this quickly. And if your mom is your hero, comment "I love you, mom." Cracking a knuckle happens when joint pressure drops, forming gas bubbles in the joint fluid. When these bubbles collapse, they make the popping sound, and it takes time for gas to build up again, so you can't crack it right away.